Hi, what's up guys? Meet it again in new CNC channel. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show how to check domain authority or pick authority in checkmos.com or small SEO tools using domain authority checker. Okay, sometime you need to uh, both a site or blog that you want to check the quality of blog that you want to buy. So, checking domain authority and peak authority is important, I think. Okay, you can use free service tool of checkmos.com and using small SEO tools, domain authority checker. Okay, the advantage of using checkmos and small SEO tools, you can using book and you can make or check more than one domain with enter like this with uh, one per line per domain. Okay, let's check with find most metrics. Okay, permission then it. If you check in most or their service, okay, you can see there sometimes I think it's not accurate, but this is better than better than without checking, I think. Okay, now let's check in small SEO tools. Where is better is I think is whatever, but this is for domain authority for mydomainnews.co.id in checkmos is 25. In small SEO tools also the same, but uh, I think for Pix authority in checkmos is 32, but in small SEO tools just 28. Okay, it's similar but not the same. You can use whatever you think is more accurate, but I always using these two tools. Okay, you can uh, see if the external link is higher in here, but in the small SEO tool is not uh, showing the external link. Okay, that's all. Tutorial how to checking domain authority and page authority using checkmos and small SEO tools form. This is important if you want to buy something or some sites or blog. Uh, you can try to see uh, the or DAPA of blogs. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.